jammed up with pine needles.
Yeah.
Same with the other side.
Doing a leak test. Water's going all over the windshield. And the water's going to the ground as expected. Nothing leaking inside. So it looked like a bunch of debris that was trapped in the cowl, clogging up the drain plugs. Right.
Okay, that's the outside.
Yeah, that's the outside.
So embarrassed with it.
What's up, everybody? This is Kenyon with Ashon. We finished up this 2004 GMC vehicle. Had mold all in it. We was able to take all the seats out and put new jute in the carpet, under the carpet, and clean up the mold. It was pretty bad. Been sitting on a tree since last year. Wife's husband has died, but we was able to bring it back to life. So if you have any water damage or need water restoration done on your vehicle, give us a call, 757-378-2844. This is Kenya Williams with Ashon for You Auto Detailing.